iteration statements, right? Good. Iteration statements, the first one we'll discuss it for loop. What is syntax of for loop? For, you can write that here temporary variable. Take the temporary variable in here you can write the sequence data or iterable data. Which one there? So iterable data or sequence data you can write. Sequence data, right? That's it. Clear? So for temporary variable in sequence data, here simply print the data, print a temporary variable, right? Whatever the value you want, you can print that value here. This is the syntax of whatever for loop. See, to print the for loop data before starting for loop, we must know range. Just now I said in the board here, range of 10 means what? All the values will be printed 1 to 10. So range of 4 to 10 means what? 4 to 10 values will be printed. Next one is what? Range of what? 3 to 9, the increment value is what? 2. Then 3 to 9 will be printed by incrementing what? 2, right? Good, that's it. See, let me do some practicals regarding these points. I'm using online compiler anyhow. So for loop, tell me for syntax here, temporary variable for x in sequence data, I will go for the range value. The range of here, what is the value here? You can go for 10. Range of 10, simply print what? So ratanit.com comma I, sorry, not here, x. So x means what? Just here printing the x value. Now you can check it. Okay, so 0 to 9 is printed, right? See, up to 10 means what? 0 to 9 will be printed. Good. If you want one more time, I'll write the for loop. For temporary variable you can take for I in what? You can write the range. Then sir, I want the data 4 to 10. See, here you are giving the starting value and ending value, right? Once you given the starting value and ending value, it includes the starting value, it excludes the ending value. So here you can write the anu, so anu comma, here you can write the I. That's it. Simply now print the data. Anu is printed, what the data? 4 to 9, right? See, if you are given the starting value and ending value, it includes the starting value, it excludes ending value. Starting value is what? 4, right? Included. 10 is excluded or not? So like that. Then sir, the third case for xi in range of, tell me for xi in range of what? I want 3 to 9, otherwise 3 to 20, better 3 to 20 by incrementing 3 value. By incrementing 3 value, simply can write the print what? Sunny, print sunny comma, you have to print which value here? X value, right? Good. Simply run this code. Now what is sunny value? 3, increment value 6, 3, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and what? 18 or not? So like that. Hey, points are clear. So if you want, you can go for the negative index also. For xi in, see Ratan sir, here already x is declared. See, in Python we can reassign the variable multiple times, that is not a problem. So up to this line, x value is that range value you can take. From this line onwards, x value is like this. Okay, so the particular block only we have that x value, that's it. For x in range of, tell me for x in range of what? Here I want minus 10 to, so here lower value how to give, right? Minus 100 to minus 10, lower value to the higher value, increment value by the 10, right? Increment value by 10. Then simply can print the data. So print of what? X value. Just simply now we can run this code. The last lines you can check the output. 100 decrement by increment by 10, right? See, increment means what? Minus 100 to minus 10 means that is increment only, right? Come on here, you know minus values, negative values are lower values, right? So like that. So minus 100 is lower, minus 10 is lower. Minus 100 is lower, right? Good. I hope you will get them clarity, right? Good. For example, I want to decrement the value. To decrement the value, xi in what? Range, right? X in I in range. 10 to I want to by decrementing minus 3. By decrementing what? Minus 3. Then simply can print what? X value. That's it. So last lines you can check it. So 10 decrement by 3, minus 3, right? 7, 4. So these all are possibilities regarding whatever for loop. Clear? For I in range 10 value, 4 to 10 value, 3 to 20 by incrementing 3, minus 100 to minus 10 incrementing by 10, 10 to 2 decrement by minus 3. Clear? So this is all about what your for loop. See, generally we'll use this for loop along with list data, tuple data, dictionary data. Okay, so Ratan sir, give me one list data example. See, list means L equal to, I taken the data 10, 20, 30. Then tell me here, how to print the data? For loop. Tell me a temporary variable. What is the temporary variable? X in X in iterable data L, right? Then simply can write what? Print L. Sir, no, print L, right? That's it. 10, 20, 30 is printed. See, in the same case we can write one more time here. So print X, simply here we go for the if condition. If x double equal to 30, x double equal to 20, x double equal to 20 colon, simply can write the break. What I said, break is used to stop the execution. Break is used to stop the execution. The second case you can check it, only 10 will be printed, right? 10 will be printed. Clear? So, and I discussed the continue also. What is the continue? Tell me. What is the difference between break and continue? So here 20 means what? Simply can write the continue. See, continue means it skips the iteration only. Which one is skipped here? 20 will be skipped, right? 20 will be skipped means you can check the data. 10, 20, 30 for the normal data. 10 for the break statement. 10 and 30 is printed. 10 and 30 means what? 20 will be skipped, right? Based on these 2 points, you can conclude break is used to stop the execution. A break is used to stop the execution. What about continue here? See, whenever we are using continue, this code will be skipped. The remaining data will be printed. Okay, so that is the difference between what? Break and continue. Points are clear? You can check the data here. Printing the three values, print x. X double equal to 20 is break the execution, break it. Continue the execution means just to skip the particular iteration. Just to skip the particular iteration. So there is a difference between the break and what? Continue. Very clear? That's it. See, observe carefully. And I will write the for with while loop. Sorry, for with else block. For x in range of for x in range of what? What is the range value? I have to take the range value here. For x in range, I want print some 4 to 10 values. Colon, simply can write the print of. So print of what? This is Ratan sir. That's it. 4 to 10 times means what? 6 times will be printed, right? Good. Along with the for loop, you can take the else block. Else block print. Print here what the message will write. So www.ratanit.com. So here the else block is executed always if the for is executed normally. Else class and loop without a break statement. It means what? If is there any break statement is there, else block executed or not executed here? Not executed. Okay. Simply can run this code. Here www.ratanit.com is printed or not? Good. So the conclusion is what? The else block is executed always. Else block is executed always. Else block is executed always, right? But in two cases, else block is not executed. What are the two cases? Case 1. See, for example, here I am printing 10 by 0. 10 by 0 means what happened here? 10 by 0 means what happened here? 0 is an error, right? 0 is an error. If the exception rises in the for loop, the else block code is not executed. I can check it. Ratan sir is printed first time, then 0 is an error, right? So in this case, else block executed or not executed? Not executed. So what is the case 1 conclusion? Tell me here. Come on here, always I will focus on practical knowledge. Don't think board explanation more and more. Think about the practicals, right? That's it. So here what is the point here? Here what is the point? If the exception raised in which block here? If the exception raised in for loop, else block executed, not executed. Else block not executed. Okay, clear? Else block is executed, not executed here, not executed. What is next one here? We can go for the case 2. What about case 2 here?